Hey guys, I'm back with a video for how to download or print admit card from CMS portal. First of all, you have to open your Google browser and search for Hamdard University CMS login. Click on the first link. Enter your CMS ID and password, then sign in. Here you have to click on the examination bar and then choose the option print final term admit card. Now you can see all the subjects for your examination. Click on the issue button. After that you will get the print button. Now click on the print button and here you will get your admit card. Simply click on the download button to download the admit card, give a name to your file and then click on the save button. If you want to print your admit card directly, then you have to click on the second button. From here you can directly print your admit card. Before downloading, make sure that you have completed your evaluation forms. Thank you so much.